I got asked this question a little while ago. How can I search in my Google Drive and find specific documents and be very specific to exclude any Word documents that are also going to show up in that list? I'll show you how to do that in this video. So you can see right here, I do a search for test documents. Let me just do test document. And look, I've got a whole bunch of test documents in here. It shows up a whole lot more than I want. Hey, I need to be a little more specific. Let me put quotes around that and looking for specifically test document. And look, there's 8 of them. 4 of them are Word documents. 1, 2, here's number 3, and here's number 4. And the other 4 are native Google documents. Number 1, number 2, number 3, and number 4. But I only want the native Google Docs. I don't want the Word docs. Now there's a Google help document that says do minus DOCX, and then I hit enter. But that didn't work this time. Now I've tried variations of that, DOCX uppercase, and that didn't work. The help document clearly says to use a negative, but I know based on my own testing I can do not, and that works. Not and negative should be the same thing, but I know specifically in this example, I had to use the word uppercase NOT, that's called an operator, and if I use a lowercase DOCX, it gets me the same result. Bottom line, look for specifically for the document you're looking for. And when you want to exclude either a DOCX or an XLSX or a PPTX, whatever it is, then you do not, and then the extension that you don't want, or the words that you don't want that are associated with that document. I'm Teddy, your Google Workspace and Gmail guy, and I hope this is helpful for you.